Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and we're back with another update on the Wheelzy situation with all the phone calls. And I have good news to announce. The situation looks like it has been resolved as of today. It's Wednesday, April 16th, just a week after all this started happening. And I was finally able to speak to their customer service manager and resolve the issue and kind of get a lowdown on what was going on and what happened. And this isn't entirely their fault. This is something that I do blame them partially for on the way it was handled and how it could have been prevented. But what happened was there were over 40 requests. I think she said there were 42 requests in there when she looked, that somebody put my phone number in on the website to get these quotes. So obviously it was done maliciously. She is working with their tech team to see if we can find out where these came from, maybe get an IP address. So if it happens again, or if I want to take that information and give it to possibly law enforcement or something, see if they can investigate it to see who was using my phone number. And obviously it was done to do this to annoy me, or maybe not me specifically, but somehow somebody used my phone number, got my phone number, and did this probably purposely, because it was done 42 times. So it was not for anything legitimate, but she did block my phone number. All of that is blocked. I cannot call and make any request for a quote. I cannot go, nobody can go on the website using my phone number to get a quote. It will not do anything. I will not get any calls, nothing like that. So my phone is done blowing up. Finally, I got a couple calls yesterday, but after that it stopped, and it hasn't happened any today. They are also investigating some of their reps. When I asked them to stop contacting me, the ones that like to argue or ask why. And also I mentioned the rep that told me on Friday that I should check my phone number because this is my problem. Obviously, that is not a very professional response. I'm going to say I was not very professional on the phone either, but that was, after they called me 40 plus times, obviously I was a little rude. I tried in the beginning to explain to them that I was not doing this, that this was not me, and they did not take it seriously. They did not try to escalate the issue to see if they could figure out where the requests were coming from. I asked the people that were calling me multiple times if I could speak to somebody in management. I was told, no, we don't have managers. Well, they do, but they would not transfer me to one. They would not get me in contact with one. That was beginning of this week, last week, that I tried that. Nothing happened. The way I did get this resolved was the customer service manager is the one that responds to the Better Business Bureau complaints. Last week, I made a Better Business Bureau complaint and explained what was going on. They responded on Friday and told me that they were going to investigate it. This was going to stop. Obviously, on Friday, it did not stop. When I made that complaint on Friday, she looked into my number, and there were 20 some requests in there at that time. And she, said that it was going to be resolved. But Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, or Saturday, Sunday, Monday, I'll say, because yesterday was only like 2 calls. But Saturday, Sunday, Monday, I received more phone calls, and I updated my complaint, letting them know that it was not resolved, and I denied that response. And then I asked if on there if somebody could contact me, and she called me earlier today and let me know that at the time she received the complaint this morning, there were 42 requests, so there were 22 more from what there were when she checked it on Friday, and that was when she blocked the number and stopped everything from happening. So at this time, it is currently resolved, but I don't know if it was somebody that got my phone number from somewhere. Maybe it popped up on here somewhere. Maybe they saw it. I don't, I try not to share my personal phone number on here unless it, maybe it popped up in a video for a split second or something and somebody grabbed it, or where it came from. But just know that they are going to try to get me the information of where these originated from, and I could possibly file, charges for harassment and stuff like that, and see if this can be investigated legally. So if you are watching this and you do have my phone number, or you got my phone number and you were the one doing this, maybe reconsider doing this anywhere else, because you will be charged with a crime, and I will pursue charges if anybody intends to harass me with any information that they may have. So just keep that in mind, that what you did is not all right. It had my phone ringing off the hook for hours on end every day until they were finally able to get it blocked. So just wanted to update you guys on that. It is not entirely the company's fault. It's not a fake company. They are a legitimate company. It wasted a bunch of people's time, tow truck drivers, people that bought the cars. It wasted their time, and it got a few of their agents yelled at by me because they wouldn't stop calling. But like she explained to me, when they call, they can't see. They can only see the file that they're looking at. So the fact that somebody made 42 files, they could not see the last one. You know, so it wasn't entirely their fault. I think they can have better systems in place to maybe verify that the phone number somebody is using is actually their phone number, maybe like a text verification. Hey, you submitted a request for a quote on our website. You know, if this wasn't you, reply stop, and that just blocks the phone number automatically. That could have nipped it in the bud right on, on the first one, but it didn't. And it took me all this time to get in contact with them, to somebody that could actually do something about it. So I just wanted to update you guys on the situation. And I am Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe. And as always, have a great day.